Aujourd'hui, on va lire cette leçon. We are going to read this lesson. In the previous video, we have already done the grammar part, right? Let's see. Let's do this. Stéphanie prépare le déjeuner. Okay, so elle est Stéphanie. So Stéphanie prépare le déjeuner pour les invités. So Stephanie is preparing lunch. For who? For invité. Invité are the guests. A Sophie's Robert. This is Robert. Okay. Sophie's Robert. So his son Robert, what he is doing? Led. So here student le means his son help her. So le is Stephanie. The students who are done the COD and COI, they know better. So abhi ke liye just understand that le means Stephanie. So her son Robert helped her. Let. Sophie's robot let where dans la cuisine in the kitchen. Mama, viens ici robot. So what it is saying? Come here robot. Robot said, oui mama, veux-tu un coupe de main? So mama, do you want a hand? It doesn't mean to give a hand. It means do you want any help? That is the expression veux-tu. So here he is like saying veux-tu, but we can also say voulez-vous. Oui, maman, voulez-vous un coupe de main? Or veux-tu un coupe de main? So veux-tu is the informal way. Okay? Comment est-ce que je peux t'aider? T'aider. So it means how can I help you? So t'aider, he is saying to his mother, how can I help you? Comment est-ce que je peux t'aider? So this phrase you can learn as it is. If you want to say someone, how can I help you? That is comment est-ce que je peux t'aider? Right? If it is formal, then instead of using the, use vous. How? How can I help you in the formal way? Comment est-ce que je peux vous aider? Right? And if you want to say anyone, do you need any help? Veux-tu un coupe de main? Informal, but in the sense formal, voulez-vous un coupe de main? Okay? Mama, Mademoiselle Lavigne et son fils viennent cet après-midi. So she's saying Mrs. Lavigne and her son are coming, viennent. So when they are coming cet après-midi, this afternoon. Mais pourquoi? Ils viennent souvent chez nous. But why? Do they often come to our place? So why do they often come here? Souvent is often. Chez nous means at our place. So why do they come often? Maman, comme tu sais que nous travaillons ensemble, j'organise un rendez-vous. As or since. Here, com is also used to give example, but here it is used in the sense of since. Since you know, tu sais, tu sais que, you know that, tu sais que, nous travaillons ensemble. We work together. So, j'organise un rendezvous. I arrange meetings at our place. Robert, d'accord, maman. Okay, mom. Qu'est-ce que je peux faire pour toi? So, what can I do for you? This is another way to ask. Ki, okay, what can I do for you? Qu'est-ce que je peux faire toi? Informal. So, informal. Formal, you can say vous. Qu'est-ce que je peux faire pour vous? Qu'est-ce que je peux faire pour toi? Maman, d'abord. So this is the connectors. First of all, d'abord, apporte-moi les tablettes de chocolat noir. So bring me the dark chocolate bars. Je veux faire les pâtisseries. So I'm going to make pâtisserie, pastries. Ensuite, after that or then, donne-moi les œufs. Give me the eggs. So in this way, he is helping his mother. Right? Now, robot. Et quelque chose d'autre? Now, anything else, maman? Je décide de faire des spaghetti et un plat provençal. So I have decided to make spaghetti in Provençal style. Okay? C'est assez pour nous. Now he's saying, okay, mama, this is enough for us. C'est assez pour nous. Va et apporte vite les choses. Go and bring all things. So it is aller verb. Apporte is to bring. Vite is your adverb. Quickly. These things. Okay. Learn this also. C'est assez pour nous. Whenever you want to say, oh, that's enough for us. C'est assez pour nous. Okay. Understood? Now let's do the question answers. Now let's do these questions. Répondez aux questions suivantes. Qui vient ce soir? So qui vient? Who? So who like is coming this evening? So who was coming? Remember, Mademoiselle Lavigne et son fils, right? This is right. Now how would you respond? Mademoiselle Lavigne et son fils viennent ce soir. OK? Qu'est-ce que robot fait pour aider sa mère? So what robot is doing to help his mother? So what he was doing, il apporte. So he brings. Il apporte what? Les tablettes. So students, जो chocolate bars होती है ना, the chocolate bars, we say tablette de chocolat. Tablette de chocolat noir means black chocolate. Chocolat noir et laser. Laser for the eggs. Okay. Quel plat Stéphanie prépare-t-elle? So what she is going to prepare? Elle prépare des pâtisseries pâtisseries et des spaghetti. Okay, spaghetti. Okay, à la in the style Provençal. Right? Remplissez les blancs avec un mot du texte. Nous, here comes travaillons. Nous travaillons dans la même entreprise. So we work in the same enterprises, in the same company. Il va commencer. So he is going to start his studies, higher studies. Vous voulez quelque chose. So students, these are the words already we have read in the text. We have to choose only those one. Quelque chose autre. Do you want anything else? Nous allons au cinéma avec nos cousins. So we are going to cinema with our cousins. Okay. The next one is this. Reading. Organiser une fête. Let's read this comic. Organizing a party, Jean et Monique discutent de leur plan pour l'anniversaire de Gabriel. So Jean and Monique discute. What they discute? Their plan. Their plan for what? Pour l'anniversaire, for the birthday party of Gabriel. Okay? So here, donc, mon cher ami, commence avec ton plan. So she's saying, so my dear friend, let's start. Commence avec ton plan. Let's start with your plan. Okay? Now what he says? Écoute, comme c'est les vacances et c'est l'été, nous devons aller faire un pique-nique pour l'anniversaire de Gabriel. Listen, since I have already told you, it is to give the reason. Since it's the holidays and summers, so nous devons aller faire. So we can arrange or organize a party for Gabriel birthday, like a picnic. Okay. Now what is she saying? Super. Okay. C'est une bonne idée. So this is a very good surprise. Bon idea. Et ça va être une surprise pour Gabriel. So it is going to be a very good surprise for the Gabriel. Okay. Now what he's saying? Totalement une belle surprise. So totalement, totally a big surprise or very beautiful surprise. Bon, commençons en traçant une liste d'invités. So we plan the list of the guests. Okay. Now she is saying, okay, il ne faut pas inviter toute la classe. So We should not invite the whole class, just the quelques proches amis. Proches amis means the closer ones, just a few close ones. Sinon, la teuf devient absurde. Sinon, Sino means here, otherwise it will be like a circus. Okay, they say it is in the circus. So we will not invite everyone, right? Now, what do you think? Je pense qu'il faut aussi inviter Flo. C'est une amie de collège de Gabriel. So I think we should also invite Flora. She is a friend of Gabriel from the like school. Ok, donc les invités sont toi, moi, Philippe, Sébastien, Khaled et Aurey. Ça suffit, non? So she's saying these are the guests. So these are the name of the guests. And then last, she's saying ça suffit. So students, this also you can use. Ça suffit means that's enough. Is that enough? No? No, isn't it? In this sense, this expression you can use. Ça suffit? No? Now, she's saying, okay, oui, certainement. Oui, of course. Yes, of course. Flore ajoutée à la liste maintenant. Parlons de la bouffe, la chose la plus importante. So, Flora is already on the list. Now, let's talk about the food. That is la bouffe. Maybe the most important part. La chose la plus importante. Now, what she is saying? Je vais m'occuper de la bouffe. Jean, bon, tout d'abord, il faut une salade, des sandwichs, des gâteaux ou des desserts. Now she is saying, okay, it means I'll take care of food. So what will be there? Tout d'abord, first of all, there will be a salad, some sandwiches, gâteau, and some desserts, like Swedish. Ok, pour la salade, je propose la salade d'été et la salade royale, comme gâteau cake de brocoli au saumon fumé et cake d'été au pesto. Le sandwich asiatique et le sandwich de poulet sont très délicieux pour une fête. Now he is saying what? He's saying for salad, I suggest to you royal salad. Okay, and he is asking how about broccoli? That is broccoli cakes with smoked salmon. So these are their dishes, okay? Then chicken, okay, sandwiches and all. So he's saying that all is delicious for the party. Okay. Now see, he's saying génial. Tu as presque tout décidé de la bouffe. Mais pour dessert, on va avoir le dessert préféré de Gabriel, la compote de papaye. Now, what is saying? Great. So the plan is almost ready. Tu as presque tout décidé de la bouffe. So everything is ready. Mais pour dessert, on va avoir le dessert préféré de Gabriel. But for the like preferred dessert, we will go to the place where the Gabriel will decide. Okay? And he's saying, je, je, la comte de papaya. For example, Gabriel like papaya cake. So we'll go for it. Now, excellent, presque tout est prêt sauf un beau lieu pour le pique-nique. Château de Versailles, Saturday. Okay, this is again the expression. So he's saying excellent. The plan is almost ready. But where are we going? Okay, so maybe a picnic of the place Versailles, Saturday. Saturday is the expression, student, when you want to say, like, what do you think? When we asking someone, yahan chale, let's go there. What do you think? Saturday. And if you want to say with the formal one, that is Savudi. It's Woo. VOUS, Saoudi. Ok, bravo. C'est une destination idéale. On peut d'abord visiter le château, puis déjeuner dans les jardins. So, bravo. That is the perfect destination. We'll visit the palace first and then have lunch in the gardens. Okay. So, I hope. So, there are many expressions, student, which you can use because these comics are the informal talks. Note down these expressions and try to use them in their like everyday's life. Okay. Au revoir, à bientôt. Merci beaucoup.